am I wearing?
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
What am I wearing? Shorts with built-in pants. A buff. My Chica and Sunsets hat. Darn tough socks. My Salomon shoes. They've done about 170 miles. My blue top. And that's it. That's all I wear. After that, it's just putting on waterproof top, waterproof bottoms. That's it. And this is my sleep system. These always go right at the bottom of my backpack because they're the last thing I take out. My quilt. My pad. My pillow. That's it. Nothing more. This is my electronics bag. Always purple. For this trip, I'm taking my European plug. USB and C connections. My cable for my iPhone. My headphones and cable. I generally only use my headphones at night. I don't generally walk and listen to things. My backup storage, 2 terabytes. My mobile quickly fills up, so I transfer it to that and delete everything off my mobile. My backup power supply, 3 to 5 iPhone recharges, never charge beyond 80%. My money pouch, including my money card and any real money. And finally, some packing sachets to soak up any moisture that might be there. It's packed towards the top of my bag so that I can take it out whenever I go into town. So that's it. That's my electronics bag that also holds my money. No drones, no selfie sticks, no extra cables, no stands, nothing. Just what you see, that's it. And this is my first aid kit and toiletries. Everything in a Ziploc bag. Some Sudocrem, which is my cream for any chafing or anything like that. A pack of wet wipes, part of my foot care routine. A cork ball, also for my foot care regime. A multi-tool that has scissors and a small knife. A single plaster. Eight ibuprofen tablets. Tick removal. Some bite cream. A whole series of Leukotape ready to be used. A chapstick. Toothbrush and toothpaste. And that's it. That is my first aid kit and foot care kit. And this is what I'm taking for my cook set. A yellow stuff sack. My cook set and food is always in a yellow stuff sack. My pot. My mug. Collapsible. My sporcle. My lighter. A stand for the gas canister. my French twist and click stove, and a gas canister. Obviously in France it will be a slightly different gas canister, but it will be that sort of size. My pot cosy, my pot lid, my cleaning towel that also helps reduce vibration in the pack. And as part of the kitchen set, my soy squeeze and my CNOC bag. And that's it. That's my kitchen set. The only things that are missing that I don't have at the moment are my bottles, which are just normal soda, soft drink bottles, 500 millilitres that you buy, and I'll buy them on my way there. And now for a few random items that don't naturally fit into a category. My trowel with some gaffer tape around it and some toilet paper. My large towel. My headlamp. My pack liner. My sit pad. My trekking poles. My tent. Green stuff sacks. First stuff sack contains my pegs and my Tyvek ground sheet. And the other green stuff sack includes my Durston tent, clothes I carry on the inside and outside of my bag. Orange stuff sack, just for clothes. My beanie. Spare pair of shorts. Spare pair of darn tough socks. My REI blue top, merino. Move stuff out of the way. My Enlightened Equipment puffy. My Marmot waterproof trousers, fully zipped. My only purchase this year. My North Face jacket. The only job for the jacket and the waterproof trousers is to be waterproof. I don't mind about the weight. And that's it. That's everything I've got in my pack.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.